FEMME Los Angeles. Let's open a box today. Y esto es lo que compré, un par de sandalias. I need a pair of sandals in nude color. So I never tried this one before. Es la primera vez que estoy comprando esta marca FEMME. Let's see how it looks like. This is my box. Now we open to see what we have inside. Over here we can see, tenemos la tapita de los tacones, de las sandalias. And this is a presentation of the box. So it comes with a very nice card saying thank you for your purchase and all that. And then it comes the wrap in this paper. Es que lo abrimos automáticamente tenemos our shoe bag para poner los zapatos. No es suave la tela. The fabric is a little bit rough. Usually when the shoe is very delicate, it comes in a very smooth fabric. So we continue opening over here, and this is something very curious. Every time that you see a pair of shoes, well, this is my perspective. Every time that I buy a pair of shoes and it comes in these little bags, an individual bags that is very particular, usually the shoe is made in China. No sé, esto es un dato curioso que les dejo. Cada vez que yo compro un par de zapatos, generalmente vienen en esta bolsita, en this single bag, que es una bolsita muy particular. Es como de bilucha, así como suavecita. Y siempre que lo compro, el zapato que venga así es hecho en China. Actually, let's see. Yes, it is. You see? Not wrong, but here in the box you can see made in PRC, which means made in China. Sí, ciertamente es hecho en China. Todo el zapato no es de cuero. This is vegan, the kind of vegan leather, so it's no leather. You know what I mean, right? So it's vegan, it's no leather. Se ve el color, it's beautiful. I like so much the color. I like the design, how it is on the top, but I don't like the bottom. No me gusta cómo está la suela, no me gusta este círculo aquí en la parte del zapato. El tacón, the heel, it's comfortable. This is 3 inches. And you can see the straps, la parte de arriba, las tiritas. Y en las tiritas, I like this detail that they put at the end, las cositas estas doradas, esto me gusta. Yo estaba buscando un zapato así, algo bien particular, que sea ultra finito. And this is the one that I found, that it's ultra thin over here. But I haven't found yet one that is real leather. In my opinion, leather is better because it's gonna last longer, and the quality and everything, it looks better. But so far, this is what I have. Ya saben que no es de cuero. Vamos a decir que mete la coba, el zapatico va a durar por un tiempo, pero no creo que vaya a durar por mucho. Ahora vamos a ver. There is no an extra. Oh yeah, I feel it. There isn't an small, not too much, and it's located too much in the back. I use a lot of high heels, so to me this is a big deal. There is a little cushion, but over here, usually the cushion, it comes, like for example, if you see San Edelman, the shoes that I believe they're made also in China, they put the cushion over here in the front. Si ven, por ejemplo, la marca San Edelman, ellos ponen como un colchoncito en esta parte de adelante. El colchoncito que está muy mínimo, está chiquitico, en la parte de acá está muy atrás. This type of shoes, I'm not sure if I think that I will get tired very soon. I think it won't be very comfortable how it looks like so far. So far, what I have seen, it's very pricey, it's very expensive for what it is. Me parece que está caro para lo que es, porque son creo que están en la página web de ellos, 189, 189, and then if you subscribe what it says in the website, so it will be 20% off. That's what I did. Al final creo que salió en 150, algo así. Pero para lo que es, me parece que está costoso, sinceramente. Maybe it looks nice. And maybe I'm wrong, and maybe they are comfortable. Vamos a ver, a veces nos engañamos viendo, sin probar. Entonces hay que probarse las cosas. And let's try both shoes, so we can feel so confident and more secure how it is. Vamos a ver. A mí me gusta mucho el color nude. Yo pienso que todo el mundo tiene que tener un color nude, un color así, neutral, clarito, porque eso combina con todo, con blanco, con negro, con marrón, con rojo. Este color es un color básico que todas deberíamos de tener. El color nude sobre todo luce muy lindo cuando no está vestida completamente de negro. I'm wearing this today, a black top. I don't have a black button, but I have a snake one, which will look good with this. Now let's see. Bueno, vamos a decir que como estoy caminando sobre la alfombra, que ni siquiera caminando, se siente cómodo. Sin embargo, lo siento un poco holgado. I feel, just because I'm on top of the carpet, I feel comfortable. Like the height of the heel is good. But I feel the straps a little bit loose. Está bien la altura del tacón. Pero sí, de verdad, la parte de adelante de la sandalia, esta tirita que está aquí, bueno, mis pies son finitos, pero esto sí lo siento bastante holgado. I want to show you this. I know that half of the body, it's bigger and smaller than the other one, but this strap, it's really huge and bigger than the other one. Yo sé que tengo un piececito, todo el mundo tiene la mitad del cuerpo más grande, más chiquita que la otra, pero la diferencia aquí de cómo está esta de grande y cómo está esta, el zapato no está hecho de manera igual. They didn't make the shoe like, it's no, well, this is not okay. This is not good at all. So this is a big detail. See? I think that this sandal haven't been approved by me. No las apruebo para mí porque no son cómodas, sencillamente no por la altura del zapato, sino porque la tirita aquí está muy grande. Mi pie también es finito y se me está viniendo todo el pie hacia adelante. So they're not approved. This is not for me because the heel, the height, perfect, but the strap over here is like my feet. Slide all the way to the front. So I like the model, the color, but this is not for me. What do you think about it? And this is Maria Klein, and let's see what else I have to be wearing, something pretty or trendy. Bye bye.